Want to know if your USPS money order has been cashed? The easiest way to find out is by using the online tracking system. Here's exactly how to check your money order status step by step. First and most importantly, you need to keep your money order receipt. This receipt contains all the essential information required to track your payment. Your receipt contains three crucial pieces of information: the serial number, the post office number, and the exact amount of the money order. All of this information is printed clearly on your receipt. Next, visit USPS.com and look for the money order tracking tool. The website provides a simple interface where you can enter your money order information to check its status. Enter the serial number, post office number, and exact amount from your receipt into the online form. The system will then show you the current status of your money order, providing near real-time updates on whether it has been cashed or is still pending. That's it. The online tracking system provides immediate information about your money order status. Remember to always keep your receipt safe, as it contains all the information you need to track your payment effectively. Sometimes the online tracking system doesn't provide all the details you need about your money order. When this happens, you have additional options available through the United States Postal Service. You may need more detailed information in several situations. When you need a physical copy of the cashed money order, require detailed transaction information, if your money order was lost or stolen, or when verification is needed for disputes. In these cases, you can initiate what's called a money order inquiry. This is an official process that provides comprehensive information about your money order transaction. The first step is to visit any post office location and speak with a retail associate. Make sure to bring your money order receipt and valid photo identification, as these will be required for the inquiry process. The postal associate will provide you with PS Form 6401, which is the official money order inquiry form. This form collects all the necessary information to process your inquiry. There is a processing fee for the money order inquiry service. The exact fee amount can vary, so ask the postal associate for current pricing when you submit your form. For domestic money order inquiries, it can take up to 15 days to receive the information. The results will be mailed to your address, and photocopies of cashed money orders are available for up to 2 years from the date they were cashed. If your money order was lost or stolen, you can also file a claim for a refund. This process uses the same form and requires your original receipt as proof of purchase. Remember, the money order inquiry process is your best option when online tracking doesn't provide sufficient information. Visit any post office, complete the required form, pay the processing fee, and allow up to 15 days for results. This service ensures you have access to detailed information about your money transactions when you need it most.